Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I want to show you a very fun little toy. They are refillable water balloons or water bombs. So all you have to do is push this little flap open and allow water in, like so. And it's filled up. We usually have a rule of no face shots, but because they deflate on contact, we've been able to break all the rules with water balloon fights. They do not hurt. Also, no mess to clean up after. These Hurricane water balls from the Primetime Toy Store take the mess and the stress out of water balloon battles. This is how they work. You push the little opening here and fill it with water. So all you have to do is fill these over and over again because they're reusable up to 1,000 times per ball. You can either immerse these in water or fill with the hose. Either way, just push one flap down and then release the flap and it self-seals. This is how they work. You can see how they work. I missed him. If you'd like to have a good time with water balloons, but rather use them again and again, these are a ton of fun. It's a good time on repeat. That's my point of view.